Today, we gathered at BPSG with excitement humming in the air. We started with Om chanting and the pledge.
India is my country. And all Indians are my brothers and sisters.
Then we dived into some deep thinking with both Hindi and English thoughts.
आज का सुविचार है यात्रा को गले लगाएं खुशी सिर्फ प्रक्रिया में नहीं बल्कि लक्ष्य में है
Today's thought of the day is embrace the journey. The joy is often found in the process, not the destination.
We explored the importance of the day, news headlines for the day, learned cool facts and tackled some GK questions.
Today's news headlines are: First, national news. Voting for the fourth phase of Lok Sabha election is held on 13 May. A total of 476 candidates are Kronpati in this phase.
Today's Bharat Jano facts are India is the second largest country with a network of roads. India is the tiger capital of the world.
Who is the king of gods in Greek mythology? Yes, the correct answer is yes.
Fact number 1, a cloud weighs around a million tons. Fact number 2, giraffes are 30 times more likely to get hit by lightning than people.
Synonyms were thrown around the word Danav, and we chatted about temperatures, high and low.
आज का शब्द है राक्षस और इसके पर्यायवाची शब्द हैं दैत्य, दानव, निशाचर और रजनीचर.
The maximum temperature will be 46 degrees Celsius and minimum temperature will be 28 degrees Celsius with the UV index of 10 which is very high. The wind will blow from south at 13 km per hour.
We even had fun with mnemonic of the day. Can tiger like Sam's Cup? To help us remember stuff better.
Can tiger like Sam's Cup? C stands for cervical, T stands for thoracic, L stands for lumbar, S stands for cervical and C stands for coccygeal.
Then came the moon talk, unraveling its mysteries and debunking myths.
Today's sunrise time was 5:28 am and sunset time will be 7:06 pm.
Today's sunlight time is 13 hour 28 minutes and moonlight time is 10 hour 32 minutes.
The phases of the moon is waning crescent phase with 8% of illumination.
Today's myth of day is sleeping with wet hair will cause a cold.
We also got to know more about proverb.
Grass is always greener on the other side of the fence. Its meaning is when someone has something, it always looks better than what we have.
We also came face to face with Hindi Panchang and cracked some brain-teasing riddles.
आज का पंचांग है दिनांक 6 मई 2024 दिन सोमवार तिथि त्रयोदशी पक्ष कृष्ण पक्ष मास वैशाख.
So my first riddle to you is I can fly but I have no wings. I can cry but I have no eyes. Wherever I go, darkness follows me. What am I? Yes, the correct answer is clouds. My second riddle to you is what question you can never answer yes to? Yes, the correct answer is are you asleep yet?
Ended up with our national anthem, feeling united and inspired for the day ahead. Birla Public School, Ganganagar, always making learning fun and inspiring us to be our best selves.